we must realize that we have something in life for which we are born, for which we're engineered by the universe and then sent to this earth in the form of a living human being and given a blood and flesh body. Obviously, we had to be able to come to the realization and make the confession to ourselves in the language of truth that we are born and made and sent over here for definitive reasons, for absolute purposes that we either don't know yet or we had to try to know and discover what those purposes and aims are and learn to act absolutely according, and obviously also act and behave in precise alignment and pinpoint accuracy and precision to our internal standards, to our individual morality, to whatever we represent and stand for, and learn to maintain all that without sacrificing or compromising ourselves for any social acceptance, outside validation, public standards, or basically conformity of any kind, because the more we compromise, the more we are trained, the more we are compromised, and the more we feel exhausted, enslaved, inevitably by all the social weight and public barriers and outside basically dictates to be fulfilled, and the more we lose our individuality in one way or another. So definitely life just cannot always be about navigating challenges and overcoming conflicts and conquering social barriers, outside contradictions all the time, but there must also be daily challenges to overcome, or there must be aims and complete purposes we have to learn to build or realize for which we are made. If we don't have already, we have to build and develop those aims and purposes in life, and must act in accordance with the demands of those aims and purposes to try to fulfill them and pursue them and become what we are made for and what we are engineered and designed for by the universe. Otherwise, life is hollow and futile, and the continuation of meaningless suffering and whatever barrier and standard and contradiction we overcome before us, it will be meaningless if we cannot have purposes, if we cannot build aims and then learn to achieve them or conquer them. Because in that sense, we will never become successful in this limited life of ours.